Hello, my name is Andrei Ignat. I am a C# MVP, and in this video I'll show you one of my favorite tools. Today we speak about COM-objects in .NET. In my previous video I have shown to you what's the point of the Marshall List COM-object. In particularly, it's a function that frees the COM-object for being referenced, and for killed application you must use this for every object that you instantiate with COM. Now I'll show you how to do this very fast, and I have here an application that an Excel application that instantiates a new Excel application with workbooks. I add a new workbook and save as file name and close. Then I must release a COM object, every COM object that I have instantiated. And this can be a tedious task. I will show you a very simple way. It's a package named install package list COM object disposable that I will put in my application. And after installing, I will modify this code into using. So I will put using dynamic and this COM disposable will dispose the COM and make Marshall List COM object at final. So I'll just copy and paste the code and I put using everywhere and dynamic. I will delete the Marshall List COM object and the null, and this Marshall List COM object I take just the quit, and all that other stuff I'll just delete it. So let's see how it works. In the program I will create new disposable, call this create new disposable function, and I run, and the Excel should appear, look, and disappear. So how is the code? It's very simple. It's in the COM disposable here, it's dynamic object, and every time he gets a COM instance and with a type, and in the dispose it calls the release COM object. And for getting the function, he overrides the try set member, try get member, everything, because it's derived from dynamic object. So the point is, if you want to skip those Marshall List COM object and make the code more simple with using, you just install the package release COM object disposable. The code is and the source code are free on the view on GitHub. These tools and utilities use Adobe 25 and COM disposable. Thank you.